Hello guys, thanks for watching me today. We're gonna make two canvas 11 by 14 and I'm gonna use this brand Tavulosa. Never used before, I bought it on Amazon and let's try. It's kind of pearl and I love it, those colors. We're gonna start with the green. It's a pistachio green from Tavulosa and I put a little bit of water. And the hot pink, see, it's kind of thick. I'm gonna mix a little bit of water. And I put a little bit of Floetrol too, until they get the consistency and hopefully we get some sales. This is the electric blue and looks good. This is a base, a white base. And you're gonna start to cover up the canvas. Spread very well. Don't need like let that just spread, yeah, and try to get equal quantity all over. Now we're gonna start with the blue. It's gonna start on one canvas and finish at another canvas. So let's make one more line here. There we go. Now I'm gonna put the pink, hot pink from Tavulosa. It's so bright, I think it's gonna look beautiful on this canvas. And now I'm gonna put the green. The green doesn't show a lot. I'm kind of worried about it, but yeah, all colors when they mix together they always look good. Put a little bit of orangey from Arteza. I was afraid to mix it then in my bottles until I see that's a yellow, brilliant yellow from Arteza. Now a little bit of red. And a little bit gold, of course. Gold is always looks nice. Little bit more of the basic color, and this time I mix it with a little bit of Floetrol too, just to see if they spread better. Because the last canvas was a little thick. Yay! That's just shows began. Let's blow this baby. Oh my Lord. Orange is orange. They always show a lot. But I think it's still good. We're still good. Ooh, I like this part. Yes. Now we start to spread to another canvas. Ooh, I already see cells. Love it. Always a surprise. We never know how it's gonna end it, but I love this one. Look at how much cells. And the colors are beautiful. Just a touch up now, because I don't want to make the colors look mud. Oh my God, I hope you guys see those cells that form me already. I love when that happens. It's a good day to do a acrylic pouring. Hard part is to stop it. a little blue. Sorry about my head on the front, but we have to do that just like when you don't want to work with the blow dry anymore because afraid to mess up the painting. So then it's better when you blow with your mouth and you got more light blow. Spread a little bit on the sides. It's very important to cover completely the sides, because when they dry and the side is not done, you have to go back and do it because it's not gonna look good. Now it's just a touch up. When you feel like, you can stop it. It's just like some parts, they don't goes well when with the blow dry. You have to finish it with the finger or with the spatula, or you can blow with your mouth, or you can use a hairbrush. I always use a hairbrush, not today, but I always do. And yeah, when you think it's looking good, you stop it. It's too much white painting. Yeah, it's almost done. And I can't wait to see that baby after they get dry. And hopefully they dry just like that, because sometimes they change. The colors when it's wet is something, when they go dry, they kind of change. But hopefully this one stay just like that. This is the dry result, and I love it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to see the next video. Happy painting!